Good evening, everyone. My name is Leonard Fernchris Buendicho Bedal, and I'm from 1.3 Bifed. Today, I talk about SDG 4, Quality Education, one of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The main goal of SDG 4 is to make sure everyone gets inclusive and fair quality education, no matter who they are or where they live. So let's start. What is SDG 4? First, what is exactly is SDG for? It means two big things. Number one, everyone of all ages should have equal access to education. And the second one, everyone should have chances to learn throughout their lives, not just when they're young. But right now, there are big challenges. Millions of people around the world still don't have access to basic education. Why? Because of barriers like poverty and inequality. But here's the good news. Education can help reduce poverty. When people learn, they get skills to get better, jobs and improve their lives. Also, we have to talk about digital learning gaps. Not everyone had access to the internet or tools for online learning, which makes it harder for some to keep up. Next, why SDG 4 matters globally. SDG 4 is important for everyone, no matter where you live. Let's see how it helps different places. In developing nations, education breaks the cycle of poverty. It also gives power to women, young people when they learn. They can make better choices for themselves and their families. In developed countries, it supports lifelong learning. People can keep learning new skills which can help with innovation and staying ready for new jobs. In diverse communities, education helps us understand different cultures. It also builds global citizenship, meaning we care about people all over the world, not just our own neighbors. Education isn't just in schools, it's everywhere. Let's look at how it works in different areas. In business tech, companies use workplace training and e-learning to help their workers learn a new skills. This helps businesses grow and stay strong. In healthcare, we need skilled doctors, nurses, and other health workers. Education trains these professionals so they can take care of people and communities healthy. For sustainability, when people learn about the environment, they make better choices like saving energy or reducing waste. Education helps us build a more sustainable future for our planet. In conclusion, education is more than just books and classes. It connects different cultures and helps us create a future that's fair and sustainable for everyone. That's why SDG for quality education is so important. Thank you all for listening. Bye.